Okay, this is Professor Stein. We're trying something new. I'm on my page. I can move the page around. You see that this is 603 Summer 13, and I have everybody behind me. Let's go. Hi. Good. Okay. So we're going to see what we can do with screencast and a couple of tricks. We're talking about a math lesson. Okay, so here's the math circumference lesson. Let's talk about what we're going to learn. We have Common Core standards in math. I copied them over here, but you can also naturally go to the Common Core, and it's going to show you the Common Core standards. If I go up and down, you'll see I can actually find the exact standards that I was looking for. Okay, let me close that. I'm back on my page. New York Learning Standards will also have what we're talking about. What we're talking about is circumference, radius, diameter, and the ratios between them. And what the class is going to do is, and they've done this already, is they've filled out a chart like this with the circle, number 1, number 2, number 3, the radius, they have the different radius, and then they found out that the radius, if you double it, you're going to get this diameter. We also found out that the circumference is going to be 3 of the diameter and 3 of the diameter plus a little bit. As a matter of fact, that's what pi is. 3 plus a little. 3.1415, and it goes on and on. Okay, so let's go and see some of the things that we found. I'm going to go to one of the documents that we have. Okay, let's move this document over. Okay, and what the class found, and I'm going to use a program called Snip, which will take a picture of just this. Okay, and it'll allow me to write on it. So if I have a circle and we call the circle number 1, right, and the radius was 2, what's the diameter going to be? Diameter is going to be 4, because the radius, 2 of them will get me the diameter. And what is the circumference going to be? Well, it's going to be more than 3, right? It's going to be 12 something, okay, because this times 3, okay, 0.14, that would be more exact, but we figure it's going to be 3 plus a little more, so why don't we just say that it's going to be about 13. Okay, so what if I start off with the diameter is 10? What's the radius going to be? Radius is going to be 5. This is number 2. Circle number 2. Okay, and what is the circumference going to be? 31.4 if we're using this. Okay, so this is going to be 3 and a little bit more. 3 and a little bit more. In this case, it's 3.14. And so what we found was that the circumference of a circle is equal to pi, which is not quite, but close to 3.14. It's going to be that pi times the diameter. But it could also be pi times the radius, but how many radius? 2 of them, because 2 radius is going to be the same as the diameter. Okay, let's leave this. We don't need this anymore. I'm not going to save it. Okay, I'm back on my site, and on the site we have additional things for you to do. This is a pi plate. See, it goes 3.1415. I thought that was kind of fun. Okay, over here we have videos for you. Here's a video that you can click on if you want to review it. You can actually click. You're going to see a video. If it comes up, it may not. It doesn't look like the plugin is there. Okay, let's go back to here. I'm going to thank everybody for joining us.